Welcome to Travel Diaries by Neo. In this episode 6 of our series, we have Gunjan and Gurusha with us. They recently visited Dubai and they're here to tell us all the insider details such as cost, stays, transportation. So let us dive in. Welcome to Travel Diaries. So what made you and your family decide Dubai for this vacation?
So, actually, we wanted to have an international trip with our family. So, we decided multiple places and then finally we decided to go to Dubai, which was very hot, but we still wanted to go once in our lifetime. So, we
Yeah.
decided,
Okay, that's great. Was this your first international trip together as a family?
yeah, with the family, it was first.
Okay. So how long was the trip and who all went with you?
It was a long trip for about 9 days, I guess. Yeah.
9 days.
My parents, my sister, my brother-in-law, the kids. We have two nephews, so all
Okay.
of us went together.
Okay. If it was hot, like you're saying, which month did you travel in?
We traveled in the same time, April last
April.
year.
Oh, it's been 1 year.
Yeah, it's been a
Okay.
year.
Okay.
We were actually expecting a lot of humid and hot weather there, but there was a flood happened in Dubai the
Mm-hmm.
week before we traveled, so
Oh.
it was all like nice.
You
Okay.
remember, actually we were so shocked seeing Dubai, all prepared. Just 2 days before it was all flooded.
Flood, yeah.
And as soon as we entered Dubai Mall,
Yeah.
okay,
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
happened.
They were very quick to,
Yeah.
set it up again.
set it up.
Oh, okay, okay. So how did you plan your flights or how did you book your flights?
So when we were planning this trip, we had dates finalized, but we could see the cheaper rates here and there. We could change the dates.
Hmm.
So we have seen different dates when we can travel, when
Yeah.
it's a cheaper one, and then we decided the date.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have seen multiple platforms where on which days the flights are cheaper,
Hmm.
and since we have credit cards as well from different banks.
Yeah.
Okay, so bank also gives offers
Discount.
Tuesdays and Fridays, something like that.
Hmm.
We have seen it, and then we booked the flights from Make My Trip.
Make my trip.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so since we've talked about flight, how did you book your visa or where did you got your visa from?
We have seen multiple platforms, and then we saw Neo app. We just had to download Neo app for all of us and apply for visas.
Hmm.
And within 2 days, I guess, Gurusha?
Yeah.
Within
2 days.
it came for everyone. It was very convenient and quick. So, yeah, we just went through Neo app.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys should definitely keep a check of that.
Definitely.
Definitely. Actually, in starting, it was very difficult to convince my brother-in-law.
Hmm.
They were telling like what app and like how do you get the visas, and every time everybody gets the visa from the agents.
Yeah.
They were not very
Hmm.
trusting the app, but
Yeah.
it was very good.
All right. So, what was your first impression of Dubai when you landed? Is it like the way we see it in pictures? It's very glitzy skyline, and or like was it something related to airport shopping? What was it?
Dubai was beautiful. Like we were able to see Burj Khalifa from the flight itself,
Okay.
and we were very exciting. And I think it was very beautiful. Wonderful.
You can see bigger buildings, in India as well.
Hmm.
But Dubai was a different level. It was a different world. Like you can just see the mirror glass buildings everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, where did you stay in Dubai? Was it hotel or resort or Airbnbs?
So since it was a family trip, we wanted to stay in a hotel so that we get the complimentary breakfast, and everyone is since it is a vacation, we just are getting up slowly, having breakfast. We are leaving hotel around 12 o'clock in the noon,
Yeah.
and
Then
then
we were skipping the lunch.
we were skipping the lunch
Having
totally.
breakfast.
Yeah.
So we wanted to have a great experience, vacation vibe,
Yeah.
right? That's why we have chosen a hotel.
Okay.
But the only mistake we did was we have taken the hotel a little far from the city area or the main attractions area.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we wanted to explore the best hotel,
Hmm.
but obviously in our budget.
Hmm.
The budgeted hotel, which was great in terms of food, in terms of staying experience and everything.
Hmm.
That was a little far from the main attractions
Okay.
like Burj Khalifa,
Yeah,
Palm
Palm
Jumeirah,
Jumeirah,
beaches
yeah.
and all. So that was the only mistake we did, but
Hmm.
experience was quite good.
I don't think it was I mean, it's your preference. I don't think
Yeah.
it was a mistake because the metro was right in front of our hotel.
Okay.
And
That would have made it easier. So since you just mentioned about the metro, did you actually use metro or you used taxi or any other thing?
we used both. Since the metro was like right in front of our hotel, we like, when we are starting from the hotel after the breakfast, we were taking metros to go to the city.
Hmm.
And while coming back, I guess we have taken taxis
Hmm.
because it is late and we are tired.
Yeah, of
Taxis
course.
and
Well, actually, when it was a shorter distance, we took taxi because we were it was a family, like we were 9 people.
Oh,
So in
okay.
which ways the metro cost was similar as
To
the
taxi.
taxis.
Okay.
So that's how we took the taxi. Sometimes we took the metro for the longer distance. For example, from one place to the other
Yeah.
place,
Yeah.
other part of the city. If it was a long journey,
metro.
we had taken metros.
Okay. All right.
faster also.
Obviously, yeah. Right,
Yeah, we
right.
were sleeping like 10 o'clock. We are sleeping into just run for the complimentary breakfast, and then 12 o'clock we are in the hotel, and then we
Yeah.
have to leave.
We
Okay.
mostly actually had leisure time in the morning. Like
Okay.
waking up late, having a bath, a swimming pool, or whatever we want to use, all the amenities at the hotel, and
Yeah.
having good breakfast, and then we were leaving from the hotel.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, since you've used both metro and taxi, what would you prefer more, and what would you tell people to like use?
I would prefer if you are like a couple or 2 or 3 people traveling together, you should definitely go for metro. If you are going for a family vacation and you have like 9-10 people together, you can book a taxi, right? But if you want to save some amount, you should have multiple numbers because you
Yeah,
can
we did that
download
a lot.
Uber, you can download Kareem app. I think that's a
Yeah.
taxi.
Taxi app. Yeah.
And you can log in with different multiple numbers. You can get 10%, 20%
Oh.
discounts on your
Right.
first rides.
Hmm.
So that's what we did. We were 9 people. We had like almost 18 numbers, 15, 18 numbers. We logged in with each numbers and we got the discount to save money.
Yeah. That.
Wherever we are, like everybody is exploring the place, and we like 15 minutes before we have to leave the place, we both are trying the what all discounts are there and wherever we will
Yeah.
planning.
Which
Yeah.
one is the cheaper one? Which
Yeah.
one is the cheaper one? And then you go for it.
Okay.
how.
That's a smart way
Yeah.
to do things.
And actually, taxis were not like, you get a Swift here, you get a Wagoner here.
Yeah. Yeah.
These cars
Different
are
cars.
available in Bangalore,
Yeah.
let's say. But in Dubai, you get the luxurious car as
Oh,
a
taxi. Oh,
We
okay.
were like, is this our taxi?
Some people
Uh.
do that. Like they are like registered on the app and they're just doing it.
Okay. The services.
The services.
Okay.
I mean, we were not expecting the luxurious car in front of us as a taxi, and we were like, "Is this our taxi?" Okay, now we are in Dubai.
Yeah. Dubai is all about iconic spots, right? So, what are the top places that you visited? Did you visit Burj Khalifa? Is it really worth the hype?
See, Burj Khalifa was one of the place where you have to go because it's there on Instagram. You have to post the pictures that we have been to. So Dubai is equals to Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa, yeah.
Although we were traveling with the family, so we had all the people from different age groups. Our parents were there and the kids were there. So we had to find out the places which is for everybody.
Okay.
So that our parents also enjoy and kids also enjoy.
Yeah.
Actually, it was a self-planned trip.
Okay.
So that's how we planned. Okay, in a day, we had to have something for our parents. and something for kids also to enjoy. So
Yeah,
it
right.
was divided into you
Halves.
can say segments.
Segments,
where,
yeah.
You know, okay, this place is for you know, our age group.
Hmm.
This one is for kids, so that they both are not bored.
Hmm.
Like the both age group is not bored. So
Hmm.
that's how we planned. We both have planned this trip together.
Okay. So, what are the some places that you visited?
We have visited
Burj Khalifa,
yeah,
Hmm.
desert safari, Atlantis water park, and
Miracle Garden,
Miracle
Global
Garden,
Village.
Global Village.
Okay.
With main attraction.
Okay. All right.
Whoever is traveling to Dubai, I would suggest to have you know, Atlantis water park on the last day.
Okay.
Because when you go to a water park,
Yeah.
it is a huge water park. You will be running to for the rides. You know, you are gonna enjoy all the rides,
Hmm.
and then you are tired. So
Hmm.
if you are tired on the second day of the trip, you are not gonna enjoy the rest of your days. So
Hmm.
that's
Yeah.
how we planned to keep it on the last day,
Hmm.
and then you just come home, sleep for next 2 days.
Yeah.
Then you can
Relax.
relax.
Okay. All right. So, were there any activities that you did that turned out to be unexpected adventures?
We did skydiving there. It's very
For the
famous
first
in Dubai.
Okay.
First time for me and second time for her.
Oh,
Second
okay.
time for me.
Okay.
I had done that in US earlier.
Hmm. Hmm.
That was entirely different experience because it was like the view was like very scenic and the lake and the forest and that kind of place. But Dubai was all about the building that he was showing me that this is the palm and this is the building, this is the Burj Khalifa that you're seeing from above.
Hmm.
So it was
Okay.
totally different experience.
So, since it was your first time doing
Yeah.
skydiving, were you scared? Like, what was the experience for you?
Honestly, I was not scared at all.
I was
Okay.
more scared.
Then I was actually very thrilled and very excited to just go for it.
Yeah.
And it was kind of expensive shot,
Okay.
right? But I would suggest to wear the full clothes. I was wearing shorts.
Oh.
That was a problem there, and then
Okay.
I ended up buying stuff from the shop
Shop.
there, which was
Yeah.
very expensive again.
Okay. All right.
So you better go wearing all the clothes. Maybe you should wear gym wear or you know, athlete sports wear,
Yeah.
so that there's no problem.
Okay.
And the training was for like around 20 minutes or 15 minutes.
Okay.
Not the training, it was just small brief description about what is gonna happen,
Yeah.
what is happening, where are you going, and stuff like that. And then they took us in a chopper up, and then we
Just
was
did
a
it.
free fall.
Yeah.
So I was not scared. I was so excited and thrilled to just finish it off, so I was not scared at all.
Okay. All right. Tell us about your food experience. How was it?